How to take out books using the self-service machine. Locate your book and take it to a self-service machine. Place your student card over the Touch Here sticker on the self-service machine. Place up to 5 books on the shelf at any one time. The machine will automatically read the electronic tags inside the books. Check that each individual book is now showing on the screen. If an error message appears, for example, this book is already issued to another borrower, please go to the inquiries desk where a staff member will be very happy to help you. Once the books have appeared on the screen, you will then be offered a receipt. This may take up to 15 seconds. Please choose whether you'd like a receipt or not. You have now successfully issued your books. If you need any help at all, please do not hesitate to ask a member of staff. Thank you for watching.